Hey SMEs, here are 18 business ideas to start at home. Airbnb. Airbnb connects hosts with short-term guests for income and affordable stays. Babysitting. Babysitting is a profitable side hustle that earns money by caring for kids. Bakery. Home bakeries can be a profitable venture. Success depends on your effort and reputation. Beautician. This business offers flexible, on-demand beauty services for events and maintenance. Car wash. A car wash in South Africa can be a profitable side hustle due to rising car ownership. Chicken dust. Chicken dust is a spiced roasted chicken costing $50 to make and selling for $110 or $120, ideal during load shedding. Food joint. Selling homemade food in South Africa can be profitable with low startup costs for cooking enthusiasts. Funeral home business. Families hire funeral homes for preparation help, including groceries and food services. Game zone. A game zone is a venue for gaming and tournaments, where players pay to participate. House cleaning services. Start a house cleaning business locally and hire agents as you grow. It's a low-cost, flexible venture for cleanliness enthusiasts. Internet cafes. Internet cafes offer high-speed internet, PC games, and printing services for hourly fees. Laundry services. A home laundry service is easy to run with a washer and dryer, offering flexibility with call-out requests. Personal shopper. Personal shoppers earn commissions on purchases, especially high-demand items like apparel. T-shirt print on demand. Selling custom T-shirts can be a creative way to earn extra income. Shisanyama. Shisanyama is a popular township braai spot where locals gather, making it a profitable business selling meat and drinks. Spaza shop. Starting a spaza shop is a popular and easy option. Tailor. A tailoring business customizes or creates clothing to fit customers' needs using a tailor's skills in fabrics, patterns, and fashion. Sneaker wash. A sneaker wash business is popular, especially in metro areas with busy populations, making it a great business idea. Looking for ways to create a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey? Visit www.SME South Africa. Company ZA.